What is the name of the ocean that lies between Europe and United States? Answer: Atlantic Ocean. Question is: Komodo dragon, the largest species of lizard, are found in? Answer: Indonesia. Question: The International Olympic Committee (OIC) was founded by? Answer: Pi de Coubertin. Question: The land of which country is the lowest in the world? Answer: Maldives. Question is: Which country is completely surrounded by South Africa from all the sides? Answer: Lesotho. Question: What was the name of the first European who reached India by sea? Answer: Vasco da Gama. Question: The headquarters of Asian Development Bank is located in? Answer: Philippines. Question: Which country contains the largest number of volcanoes in the world? Answer: Indonesia. Question: Which bridge in Turkey connect Asia and Europe? Answer: Bosphorus Bridge. Question: The three major rivers arise in the Himalaya are? Answer: Indus, Ganges and Brahmaputra. Question: Who was the first Secretary General of the United Nations? Answer: Trigoliai. Question: Where is the iconic Eiffel Tower situated and was built in? Answer: France and in 1889. Question: Currently how many people are living on the planet Earth? Answer: 8 billion people. Question: What is the nationality of Julian Assange who founded WikiLeaks? Answer: Australian. Question: Gigafactory is owned and founded by? Answer is Tesla. Question: What is the total height of Mount Everest, the world's largest mountain? Answer: 8,848 meter. Question: Which is the second highest mountain and located in which country? Answer: K2 and in Pakistan. Question: The largest salt mine is Sifto salt mine is located in? Answer: in Canada.